An annuity due is exactly the same as an ordinary annuity, except now the payments are made at the beginning of the period instead of at the end of the period. To do this, the ordinary annuity formula will be modified by adding an extra period, because we're starting at the very beginning of the first period, so we get that extra period in there. But we won't be making that very last payment that earns no interest. So we're going to remove one payment. So when I do that, to the future value of the ordinary annuity, I add one extra period, so there's an n plus 1 up in the power. And from that entire thing, I subtract r to take away that last payment that I would put in. So suppose I deposit $100 at the beginning of each month into an account that earns 4% compounded monthly. How much will be in the account in 10 years? So since I'm doing this at the beginning of the month, I need to go ahead and use that annuity due future value instead of the ordinary annuity future value. So from the information of the problem, r is equal to 100, I is 0.04 divided by 12, and n is 120 because I'm doing this monthly for 10 years, so 10 times 12 is 120. So here I've written out my annuity due formula, and now I'm going to go ahead and substitute in those values. Being real careful with parentheses when I put this into my calculator, that's what I'm going to have at the end of the term of 10 years.